Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So we are approaching the end of this Angular animation playlist. So now here in this video we will learn how we can apply the animations through programmatically. Up to now what we have did through the animations.ts, so we have added the static animations like this. Almost most of the cases, 95% of the cases we can achieve it through this one. But there are some cases or there will be some requirement in which we need to do the animations programmatically. That means through the code. How we can achieve this one? I will try to show you a simple example for this one. Let's go to the app component.ts file. So here I will try to write in app component.ts file only HTML and also the CSS. So this is our simple thing. So what I will try to do is here I will create a div element. So div dot row dot call mod 12. I will give a simple example like this, and here I will write an example something like let's apply the my-4, and here I will have a simple box. Okay, div class is equal to box. This is the box, and for this box I will apply a CSS for this one. So dot box, and here we'll be having something like width of 100 pixel I will have, and height of 20 pixel I will have. That's it. So this is the thing which I will be having, and if you want you can apply a background color of blue. That's it. So this is our simple CSS, and here we are having a box, and if you try to see the output for this one, we are able to see a box for this. For more thing we will apply inside the container. Okay, now we will be able to see a simple box here. So this is our box, and here I will have another div. So div class is equal to my-2. I will add some margin, and I will add a button animate. So this is our button, and this could be something like class is equal to btn-primary. So this is the button we are having, and now when I click on this button, so this box has to animate, or otherwise this strip has to animate. So what I can do, I will add a click element. Click is equal to animate. So I am using the animate. That's it. So now here we will be having we will create an animate method. So here I will create an animate method. Now let's see. So now here nothing happens. So when I do the code, when I click on this one, nothing happens. Why? Because we haven't written any animation. Now what I want to do is, when I click on this button, I want to animate this strip. So how can I do this one? So for this one, what we need to do is, through programmatically we are trying to do it here. This time I will add a constructor. Okay, we need to inject. So here I will be injecting builder, which is of type animation builder, which should be imported from Animationbuilder, which should be imported from the Angular animations. So this builder is used to build to develop the animation through coding. Now here I will try to do this dot. I will create a constant animation. I will take one variable, constant animation is equal to this dot builder dot build. We will be using the build method, and here you can write the transitions or animation, whatever the animation you wanted. So here I can write a style. So I can write the background color to, or otherwise I can use background color to red, and here, or not red, so I'll try to give it, and width of 200 pixel I will give it like this only, or 100 pixel, whichever it is there, whatever the initial width I have given, 100 pixel, right? So let's keep it say 200 pixel. How this one will behave? Now I am having a style. Now I will try to animate it. Animate of 200. Okay, and I will apply a style of background color. Okay, initial color it should be blue. So here these are the initial colors. Background color should be blue, and width should be 100 pixel or 200 pixel. These are initial width, and here I want to change the background color. This animate should be imported from the Angular animations background color. Okay, so background, what happened to this one? Oh, not this dot animate. Why it is going to this dot animate? Not here. So animate, this should be imported from Angular animations. Okay, animate off. So we'll be having it 200 milliseconds, and I will apply a style. So now what is the animation I want to do it? So background color of red, and the width should be 500 pixel. Okay, so this is the animation which I want to do it. Now when I click on this button, so nothing happens, then also nothing happens. What we need to do, we have created animation. Now we need to attach it to an element. Okay, we need to create or attach it to an element. So here you will be able to see I will be taking one player, and here animation is one variable. So we need to create to the element. So we need to get an element. So here you can get it document or create element, like that we are able to get it, right? We can also use it through the view child or anything. I am using the reference hash box elim, and this one I will pass it to the animate. Here we can pass it like this, or otherwise you can use it through the HTML view child also. And here for this animate you will be getting the element which is of type HTML element. You can write it, or otherwise you can use any also, not a problem. So we got the player. Okay, we got the player. Now this player has the methods, something like player.play, pass, these type of things you'll be able to see. Player, pass, these all things. Now we need to play the animation. That's it. So now we have implemented animation. Let's see whether it will apply or not. If you try to click here, see, we are able to get it. Now if you want to get back to the original position, means again we need to do the animate. So here I will do animate of 300 milliseconds. I will do like this animation. Now it will come back to it will animate to the original position. If I click here, see how nice it is happening. So if you try to make it this one as something around 2000, so the expanding will take slowly, and this one will happen very quickly. Okay, so this is how we will be able to achieve it. And how here I have applied the 200 pixel, right? Actually it should be 100 pixel. Why? Because the initial width is 100 pixel only. So from there onwards it will animate here. If you try to see here, see, now you will be able to see like this. So this is how we will be achieving the animation through programmatically. So what we have did it here, we have made use of this animation builder which is available in the Angular animations. Whenever I am trying to click on a button, okay, whenever I am trying to click on a button, I am building the builder.build, I am building the animation. Here whatever the styles you have developed in the transition, the same thing you can write it here. There is nothing difference in this one. So I have created animation and all those things. And now I need to attach it to an element. Okay, so previously we used to attach it with an @trigger like that, right? We don't have any trigger in this place. So we are attaching it to the trigger and we are playing in animation. That's it guys. So this is how we will be doing the animation programmatically. Now what I will do is I will commit out this code to a new branch, video-51. So here animation programmatically. So I am committing this code. So if you are maybe having a doubts or anything, so if you want to refer this code for the future reference, so you can get to my, for example, if anybody is doing the same, repeating the same process, if they are not able to achieve the same output, means, so you can refer to my code which was hosted in this GitHub repository URL. So the repository URL is provided in the description below of this video. Whoever may be having doubts or whoever wants to refer to the code, means, so you can go to this repository URL. So that's it guys about the animations, how to achieve it through programmatically. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.